Your Firestick just asked for a PIN, but you don't remember it. Now you are locked out of apps, downloads and settings. Most people panic and factory reset their Firestick, but that deletes everything. Wait, because in this video, I'll show you the exact official method to reset your Firestick PIN without losing a single app or data. Subscribe to Electronic Secret for hidden Firestick and Smart TV tricks. Press the bell icon so you never miss any important updates. And like this video to support the channel. If you forget your Firestick PIN, you can't install apps, change parental controls or access restricted content. But the good news is, you can reset your PIN directly from your Amazon account. And it takes less than 2 minutes. Now follow these steps carefully. First, go to your laptop, PC or mobile phone browser. In the address bar, type primevideo.com/pin and press enter. On the next page, enter your registered email address or phone number. I'm entering my email address here. Then click on continue. On the next screen, click on forgot password. Enter your email address again and click continue. Open your email inbox, copy the OTP code you received from Amazon and paste it into the box on the screen. Now create a new password. Enter the new password and re-enter it again. Then click on Save Changes and sign in. After signing in, click on Change PIN. Enter a new 5-digit PIN and save it. Finally, go back to your Firestick PIN screen. Enter the new PIN and your Firestick is unlocked. That's it. You have successfully reset your forgotten Firestick PIN without deleting any apps or personal data. If this method worked for you, comment work below. If you have any Firestick problems, ask in comments. I reply to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to Electronic Secret for more secret tech tricks. See you in the next one.